Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji Neil on the Wakwezo.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Would you like your very own Igbo name? Or are you expecting a child and you would like to give that child an Igbo name? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So if you would like an Igbo name for either yourself or for a child that you're expecting, let me know and I can give you the closest Igbo name to the concept that you have in mind, right? And anything that you would like to speak into your life or manifest into a child's life or something like that, I can give you a name. And essentially in our culture, we believe that anytime someone calls a name, they're speaking the essence and the power behind that name into being every time they call you their name. So it's kind of like a built-in way to walk in blessing, you know? So if you would like your child to be successful and walk in blessing and get a name from essentially the ancestors,